The Scandinavian escape.
The Scandinavian escape tiny house embodies the principles of Scandinavian design: simplicity, functionality, and connection to nature. This tiny house features a neutral color palette, natural materials, and minimalist decor that create a serene and calming atmosphere. Large windows and skylights bring in plenty of natural light, enhancing the sense of space and openness. Inside, the layout is designed to maximize functionality without compromising on style. The living area is cozy and inviting, with a comfortable sofa and a small dining table that can double as a workspace. The kitchen is well equipped and features clean lines and efficient storage solutions. The loft bedroom offers a tranquil retreat, with simple decor and natural fabrics that promote restful sleep. The exterior of the Scandinavian escape tiny house often includes a small deck or patio that encourages outdoor living. This space is perfect for enjoying a cup of coffee in the morning or unwinding in the evening. The Scandinavian escape tiny house is ideal for those who appreciate clean, simple design and seek a peaceful, nature-connected living environment.